Welcome to How to Fix South Africa YouTube channel. Subscribe and share. The channel who speaks about solutions for our beloved country. In this 28th video we will focus on why South Africa playing games with the West using the BRICS as an excuse. It is not accurate to say that South Africa is playing games with the West by aligning itself with the BRICS group. South Africa's decision to join the BRICS, which includes Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa, was based on a number of factors, including economic opportunities, geopolitical considerations, and the desire to play a greater role in the global community. One of the main reasons that South Africa joined the BRICS was to gain access to new markets and investment opportunities. The BRICS countries are some of the fastest growing economies in the world and represent a significant share of global economic growth. By joining the BRICS, South Africa is able to tap into this growth and expand its economic ties beyond its traditional Western trading partners. Additionally, South Africa's alignment with the BRICS reflects a broader trend in global politics, as many countries are seeking to diversify their diplomatic and economic ties and move away from traditional Western-dominated institutions like the IMF and World Bank. By aligning itself with the BRICS, South Africa is able to assert its independence and promote a more multipolar global order. It is important to note that South Africa's alignment with the BRICS does not mean that it is turning its back on the West or engaging in games. South Africa maintains positive relations with the United States and other Western countries, and continues to participate in a range of international organizations and initiatives. The country has also played an active role in promoting peace and security in the region and around the world. Make sure you leave your like for us to get to more people. We count on you to make the change and be an active citizen in the South African society. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.